student, today we will start depreciation account or accumulated depreciation account. Okay, for that purpose we have to prepare a machinery account, provision for depreciation account or accumulated depreciation, or asset disposal. Asset disposal is additional. Okay, you may prepare additional asset disposal account or not. First we start the asset disposal account with asset disposal account. Okay, so that first see the machinery account, provision for depreciation and asset disposal. Okay, so in this question number 16 of the TS Garewal sum, see the 1st April 2019, the machinery account stood 80,000 and the provision for depreciation account is already stood 36,000 at the beginning of the year 2019. So first we put them as a balancing figure 2019. The opening balance is 80,000 and here is the opening balance is 36,000. Okay, so first you put the opening balance. The machinery account is an asset, so its opening balance is debit, and provision for depreciation is a liability. So always the liability is a credit balance. So this side is a debit side and this side is a credit side. Now you see the additional information are there. On 1st April 2019, they sold a machine of for 8,700. This machine actually was purchased in 16,000 in April 2015. That means we bought such machines in the month of April 2015 for 16,000. Now it's sold on 1st April 2019. It's 8,700. You are required to prepare a provision for depreciation account, machinery account. As of 31st March 2020, the rate of depreciation is 10%. Okay, but here nothing is mentioned the asset disposal account, but voluntarily we have prepared asset disposal account. Now first you have to pass the workings. What is the workings? See this machine 1st April 2015. 1st April 2015 we bought a machinery. What is the cost of the machinery? It's 16,000. Now we charge the depreciation, less depreciation, at a rate of, what is the rate of depreciation? 10%. So you should charge full year depreciation because it's bought on the beginning of the year. Okay. So the beginning of the year, the full depreciation is 1600. So the written down value for the April 2016 now again you have to charge the depreciation. As it is a straight line, each and every year depreciation will remain same. We have to do like this up to 2019. Okay, so the written down value of the such machines for the at the end of this year 1st April 2019, because 1st April 2019 they have sold it. See this question, 1st April 2000 sold for 8,700. So the written down value is 9,600. We bought the machines 1st April 2019. 2015 for 16,000. So we charge depreciation each and every year is 1600 as it is a straight line method. Okay, hope it is clear. So after deducting all depreciation, the written down value on the date of sale, this is the date of sale 1st April 2019, is 9,600. Now we are selling for less sales, sale proceeds is only 8,700. Okay, so the depreciation will be 9,600 minus 8,000, that is 900. This is also known as loss on sale. Okay, that workings you have to do first, that loss on sale of machinery. Hope it is similarly in the previous practice. but the posting are there, it's quite different. Okay, but the posting here, it's quite different. Now on 1st April on the same date, the plant and machinery are sold. So by machinery, by asset disposal, we have to write asset disposal. What is the value of the asset disposal? Not the sale proceeds. Okay, always put in the machinery, always put the original value. So the original value is 16,000. So the balancing figure will come around 64,000. Okay, at the end of the year, that is 31st March 2020. Here would be 1st April 2021. Sorry, 2020. Clear? So first 80,000 machines, the balance asset disposal is 16,000. Always remember, in that case, when the provision for depreciation we made, the machinery account all run through the original value of the machines. So the machines which is sold for the year 2019, the original value is 16,000. That 16,000 will become over here, not 8,700. In previous practice, we are doing 8,700 as a sale proceed, but it's here totally different. Okay, now the provision for depreciation. Now the provision for depreciation, one thing you have to do, 1st April 2000, you have to write to asset disposal account. Assets disposal account. What do you mean by this asset disposal account? Technically, asset disposal means the depreciation of the sold machines from the date of purchase to date of sales. So from the date of purchase to date of sales, what is the total depreciation of the such particular machines whose cost is 16,000? So the total depreciation from the beginning, we can start from here, that is 1600 plus here is also 1600 plus here is also 1600 plus here is also 1600. Okay, so the 6,400 is the total depreciation of the such machines which cost was rupees 16,000. Okay, so from 15 to 16, 17, 18, 19, 4-year depreciation is 6,400, which okay, so 6,400, this 1600, this 1600, this 1600, total depreciation. We can write over here total depreciation from the date of purchase to sale. Okay, hope it is clear. Now one thing also we have to do, the depreciation for the current year by depreciation. At the end of the year, that is on 31st March 2020. So what is the depreciation? Simple, easy, a straight line method, and the 16,000 machine which is sold at the beginning of the year 1st April 2019. So the rest of the machine is 80,000 minus 16,000. So the rest of machine is 64,000, and as it is a straight line method, so 80,000 minus 16,000, so the balance is 64,000. We should charge depreciation 10% on that particular of 64,000, which is also comes to 6,400. Okay, don't confuse about this 6,400, this 400, it's different. This is the total depreciation of the machine which was sold whose cost was to be 16,000, and this depreciation for the current year depreciation, this is we can known as the current year depreciation. Current year depreciation, we can say 6,400. So the balance 42,000 minus this, so the balance would be 36,000. Okay, now the question is arise, what are about the asset disposal account? Simple as that, asset disposal. Now here by asset disposal, now you cross posting over here, from here to here you have to write to machinery account, 16,000. From 16,000 to here, so date is the same date, 1st April 2019. Now here also the same date, we have to write over here by provision for depreciation account. It will come over here 6,400 by bank account. What is the sale proceed? That's 8,700 and the same date. And the profit and loss by profit and loss account. What is the loss? The loss is 900 from here. And see, the asset disposal is automatically carried. Check this. So if your answer is wrong, this asset disposal is not matched. Here the complete cost price of this machine is 16,000. The provision for depreciation is 6,400, which has come from over here, from here to here, and bank account 8,000. The sale proceeds, you can write this is a sale proceeds. And the profit and loss from here to here, and it is matched. Hope it is clear for you. It is known as the depreciation under provision method, or depreciation, or we can say it is a accumulated depreciation. Okay, so see this particular questions repeatedly, so it will be very easy for you. Thank you so much.